Hello, all, very warm welcome. Today we are looking at in the LeetCode question, which is distribute candies, and this is the first question in March week 2021. And what the question says is that we have Alice who is in Candies, wherein ith candy is of type card type I, and Alice noticed that she started to gain weight and she visited a doctor, and doctor advised Alice to only eat n by 2 of the candies she has. So one good thing which we are coming to know is that we are having an array which says card type, which contains this set of candies, and those the length of that card type array is even, and doctor has advised her to eat only n by 2. What I mean by that is she can only eat the half of the candies which are there in the card type array. Now she likes the candies very much and she wants to get the maximum of different types of candies. So what I get understood out of that is that we need to return the maximum number of different types of candies she can eat if and only if she eats n by 2 candies of them. Okay. So to simplify this, right, I think the question says that we are given an array of candies and which contains the different set of candies and the counts of or you can say the count of those candies in the candy type array. Considering now she can eat only half of the candies and she wants to eat the different types of candies. So what we need to return is the maximum number of different types of candies which she can eat, and that can be, if you look at it, right, that will no more than n by 2, right? So question in a way is having a good background story to it, but it's fairly easy because we need to just keep a tab of what are the distinct candies which are there in the array, and we need to also keep a tab of the maximum she can eat, right? What I mean by that is that if I'm given an array which is 1 1 2 2 3 3, so one candy type 1 is of 2, this is also 2, and this is also 2, right? If you look at it, right, the total length is 6, right? What that means is she can eat only 3, right? And considering she can only eat 3 and she needs to eat distinct, she wants to eat the distinct one of them, so I say, okay, I'll take one from this one, I'll take one from this one, I'll take one from this one. What does that mean is I took the distinct values which are there in this array, which are the count of those are 3, this is 3, so I'll return 3, right? I hope you understood that. Let me look at the another example to to make it very simple. So I have 1 1 2 3. Now this is count 2, this is count 1, this is count 1. Overall I have three distinct types of candies, right? And the overall array size is 4, right? That means she can eat only 2 candies, correct? So I'll just return 2 because anyways the limit is 2. So if the 3 strings is greater than that, I'll still return 2, right? If I look at this other one, which is say candy type of 6, and the maximum she can eat is 4 by 2, which is 2, and she'll eat the distinct one, which will be 6, right? So question is fairly easy. What we are going to do is we are going to first see what is the eating limit of her. So eating limit, say, is candy type dot count by 2, right? That's the limit. Now what are the distinct set of candies which is there in the array? Distinct candies is equal to candy type dot to list dot distinct dot count, right? So this will give me the distinct candies which are there in the array. I did it to list because that will be faster. And what I'm going to do now is pretty straightforward. If my distinct candies length is greater than equal to my eating limit, right, I'll return my eating limit because I cannot eat more than that. Else, I'll return my distinct candies. I hope you understood it. So if my distinct candies count is greater than my eating limit, I'll return eating limit. If it is equal to the count, uh, if it is less than the you can say the rating limit, I'll just eat the distinct candies and I'm done with it. This has to be returned. Let me run this. I got the expected results. Let me submit it. It got accepted. Cool. So I hope you understood this. Question was asked in a very beautiful manner, and if you kind of break that into separate components, it becomes a very fairly easy question. Uh, you might use different approaches to find the distinct candies, but in a way, at the end of the day, you just need to keep a tab of what are the distinct candies she has and what is the eating limit she possesses, and based on that, you can return the results. With this, I'll take your leave. In case you still have any doubts, any confusions, please do reach out to me in the comment section. In case you like the explanations, please do hit the like button. And in case you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.